I'm gonna show you how to fill out this Mega Million or Texas Powerball. Sometimes you don't want to go to the store every week. You can play it multiple times. I'm gonna show you how to fill that out and do it. Let's say, for instance, let's go ahead and fill this out. We just put some numbers, 5 numbers. Okay, and the next thing you want to do right here, if you want to MEGAPLIER it, I usually do, just click yes. And then you want the cash option, or you can get the 30 annual, but we're gonna do the cash option down here. So say for instance, you know the drawing is twice a week. So this ticket right here will cost $2 plus $1 because I MEGAPLIER. Say for instance, I want to play it, let's say 6 times. So this is gonna play 6 drawings. So it'll be for 3 weeks. So you got to take that 6 times 3, which this will cost you $18 because you're playing it 6 times. So this ticket would be good for 3 weeks. So when they scan it and put everything in, it's going to charge you $18. Like I said, it's 3 times your 6 plays, which would be $18. So this is where it's at right here. So you want to check that right there. So you won't have to be running to the store every couple of days to buy a ticket.